In today's video, I am going to teach you how to analyze sequence enrollment and performance data in Hubspot. Start by logging into your Hubspot account and heading to the main navigation. Go to Sales, then click Sequences. This area is where you manage and monitor the automated outreach sequences your team uses for consistent follow-up. Once you are on the Sequences page, look along the top and click the Analyze tab. The Analyze view is designed for reporting, so it helps you understand performance at both a big picture level and at the level of individual sequences. Next, set your filters so the data you are viewing matches what you actually want to measure. Select a date range first. The date range determines which enrollments and engagement activity are included, so choose a window that makes sense for your review, such as a recent week, month, or quarter. Then apply the user or team filter. This lets you narrow the results to one person, a specific team, or keep it broad to see overall performance across the organization. Using these filters consistently makes it easier to compare results over time. After your filters are set, review the high-level metrics Hubspot shows you. Pay attention to total enrolled, which indicates how many contacts entered sequences during your selected time frame. Then look at open rate, click rate, and reply rate. Open rate gives a sense of subject line and sender effectiveness. Click rate reflects how compelling your links and calls to action are. Reply rate is often the strongest signal of genuine engagement, since it shows who is responding to your outreach. When you are ready to compare results across multiple sequences, scroll down to the Sequences table. This table helps you spot which sequences are performing better or worse, using the same metrics in a side-by-side view. Focus on meaningful differences, especially if enrollment volume varies between sequences. To drill deeper, click a specific sequence name. This takes you into that sequence's detailed performance, where you can see results step by step. Use this view to identify which email or task is driving engagement and where performance starts to drop. Finally, within that sequence, click the Enrollments tab. Here you can see the status of individual contacts, which is useful for understanding who is active, completed, or stopped, and for confirming that enrollments are progressing as expected. That covers everything you need to know.